I believe 15 years back when I had shifted over my school. At that point of time, when I had entered the class, I still remember when I entered the new class, and it was a new school for me. My dad and my mom were along with me. The moment I entered, everyone started laughing. At that point of time, I was a kid, so I couldn't understand what's the logic behind laughing. But yes, of late, I understood that it wasn't any humor, it was something else which was intended. But that gave me, like a bit of confidence that whenever people look to me, they bow their head, alright? And whenever I look to them, I raise my head. So that is one of the bestest things which I have. I'm a chartered accountant. I'm a lawyer. I've been associated with Big Four firms since quite a long time. I've been a national level debater as well as a motivational speaker. These firms, Deloitte and EY, have been very much considerate towards me. They have, given me the bestest of the opportunities. So I would give the credit for the same to the organization. I was good into numbers, number crunching. And secondly, it was my dad's dream also that he wanted me to be a well-placed professional. And since CA, I need not say much about CA because these two words say a lot about themselves. जवानी चली जाती है, लेकिन ज़िंदगी बन जाती है. This is what CA is. My dad wasn't there the day when my result came. But yes, I know that he must be the most proud person up in the heaven. The person who is addressing to you at the moment is a guy who stood for 3 years for each exam in that examination hall, considering the difficulty of question paper also. I've written articles for Hindustan Times, Times of India, then I've penned down articles for Navbharat Times and all also. I mean the Hindi dailies also. Participated in a lot of TV talk shows. The first article which got published was in Hindustan Times when I was in grade 7, I believe. It was Taking Gandhi to School. I'm a very active member of Helpage India. My association has been since the time I was in grade 9th, I believe, because I have seen people in front of me who have been left by their relatives at the dark hours of the day, and they have been left empty-handed without anything to eat, just one pair of clothes with them, and that too on this cosmopolitan Delhi city. I wanted that, if I have something in my hand, then why shouldn't I help? There is a lot of work which needs to be done for the upliftment of the differently abled. Media can play a big role into changing the mentality of the people also. And this is a live example which I am sharing with you guys, that post the Logical Indian stuff which happened, I have got feedbacks from all walks of society. You guys won't believe, big celebrities send me a thank you message for making aware the society that there is still a hope for differently abled people. And this is the message which I want to give. Please take out some time. Just devote your time to the society. There is a lot which needs to be done.